Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is dead weight. Dead weight refers to a person who is not pulling their weight. If you're not familiar with the idiom to pull your weight, think of a team of horses or a team of mules. If one horse or one mule refuses to pull, the wagon will not move forward. It's the same with a project or anything in a company. Let me give you some examples of how dead weight is used. Our entire sales team has to go. They are not meeting their goals. They are nothing more than dead weight. In the U.S. government, very often, dead weight gets transferred or promoted as there are too many protections in place for federal employees. Dead weight is today's idiom. It refers to a person who is not pulling their weight. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.